Getting a DeepL API key is straightforward. Follow these steps. Create a DeepL account. Visit the DeepL website. Click on sign up or log in if you already have an account. Fill out the necessary information to create your account. Choose a plan. DeepL offers various subscription plans, including free and paid options. Navigate to the pricing page and select a plan that includes API access. Access API settings. Once your account is set up and you've subscribed to a plan with API access, log into your DeepL account. Go to the account section or the API tab in your account dashboard. Generate API key. In the API settings, you will find an option to generate or view your API key. Click on Generate API key if it's not already generated. If it is, copy the provided API key. Store your API key securely. Copy the API key and store it in a secure location. This key will be used to authenticate your requests when using DeepL's Translation API. Integrate with your application. Use the API key in your application's code to authenticate and make API requests to DeepL.